Ever found yourself wondering about hidden gems nestled in the heart of India? Let me introduce you to Nelliampathi, Kerala. This less explored but exceptionally beautiful destination sits quietly in the Western Ghats, waiting to be discovered. Often referred to as the poor man's Ooty, Nelliampathi is a treasure trove of nature's bounty that promises to take your breath away. Well, if you haven't heard of this place before, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey to Nelliampathi, Kerala. The adventure to Nelliampathi starts from the nearest city, Palakkad. Now imagine embarking on a journey that promises not just a destination, but an exciting adventure, filled with twists and turns, lush greenery, and the occasional wildlife sighting. You see, the journey from Palakkad to Nelliampathi is no ordinary ride. It's a voyage that teases your senses and tests your driving skills as you navigate through the winding roads that snake their way up the hills. There are 10 hairpin bends to tackle, each one offering a different perspective of the verdant landscape that this part of Kerala is renowned for. As you ascend, the air gets cooler, the scenery more breathtaking. You're surrounded by tea and coffee plantations, interspersed with dense patches of forest. You'll find yourself winding through tunnels of towering trees, their canopies forming a green roof against the sky. But what adds a touch of thrill to this scenic journey is the chance of encountering wildlife. It's not uncommon to spot monkeys frolicking by the roadside or deer grazing in the fields. And if you're really lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of a majestic elephant. What's more, there's only one way to reach Nelliampathi, which only adds to the anticipation and excitement. So you see, the journey to Nelliampathi isn't just a drive, it's an adventure in itself, filled with picturesque sights and thrilling encounters. Now, what makes Nelliampathi worth this adventurous journey? Well, let's dive in. Nelliampathi is a crown jewel of Kerala, cloaked in a tranquil ambiance that's hard to resist. It's a paradise that unfolds itself through its sprawling tea and coffee plantations, painting a picturesque landscape that's soothing to the eyes and the soul. The stunning viewpoints like Sithagundu and Kesavampara offer panoramic views that are nothing short of a feast for your eyes, providing stunning vistas of the undulating terrains and lush greenery. But it's not just about the views. Nelliampathi is a treasure trove of rich biodiversity, home to a myriad of plant and animal species, making it a haven for nature lovers. For those with an adventurous streak, Nelliampathi doesn't disappoint. Trekking through the verdant trails or camping under the star-studded sky can be an exhilarating experience. And there you have it, Nelliampathi, Kerala, a paradise tucked away in the Western Ghats waiting to be discovered and admired.